Back to Our World Outdoors. So today we are at Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve, right?
Yep, just outside of Springfield, Ohio.
Yep, so this is not going to be a real long hike. They have multiple small trails here. We're just going to run through pretty much all of them, bring you guys as much of the footage as possible. It is a little chilly out here today. This is a winter hike, and we actually drug the kids out with us. We got some of our kids with us. They're all back here getting ready, getting dressed up for the cold. So I think it's time to get moving because I'm starting to chill out.
Yeah, it's getting cold quickly.
Yeah, got to keep moving on days like today. So come along. So here along the trail, you have these nice wooden walkways with these jut out deck observation decks that you can overlook the gorge here and look down at the water and the white water. It's a really nice setup, especially to be this close into town.
Alright guys, so it has been a really nice trip, been nice and peaceful. We've seen a couple other hikers out here, but not much. Hasn't been terrible, right?
No, it's pretty cleared off and they have their trails really marked really good.
Trails are very good, easy to follow. And they got these nice decks, like the one we're standing on. I can imagine in the summertime, these are awesome for bird viewing. So if you are someone who watches the birds, make sure you come out and check them out.
So there's some parts of the trail that are kind of rocky and other ones that are sandy. So it's not terrible. You just got to kind of pay attention to where you're walking. Huge rock walls all along our sidewalk on the lower trail here. It really makes for something to look at on both sides, because you got the river on one side and the rock wall on the other side. It's a nice day, nice adventure. So we've had a really good time here at Clifton Gorge. That's a beautiful place. So many different elevations and types of landscape. Really makes for a nice adventure. It was fun having the kids here. We had a good time. Generally speaking, there's that one guy back there who never shows his face in any video.
It's because I'm the star.
Is that it?
You can only pay me
He's
for a
the
couple.
star of the low budget ones.
I'm just the star, all right? You can only pay me
Low
for a couple
budget.
videos.
Low budget.
They're low budget because you don't get paid.
But we had a good time, and it seems like the more we come out and do these winter hikes, the more people get into them. Usually it's just me, but everybody have a good time?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you take the time to come out to Clifton Gorge, enjoy all the trails, cross between city atmosphere, park, and an outback hike. So until next time, I'm Tony with Our World Outdoors, and we'll see you.